During small-scale cheese production, the co-product whey, a liquid remaining after removal of fat and casein from milk, usually feeds animals or goes to waste. Whey can be more valuable when it's concentrated and dried after production in large volumes, but for small cheese producers who are often isolated, whey valorization is difficult. In France, Fairchain Partners are developing fermented whey-based drinks aromatized with fruit juices that can be stored and distributed at room temperature. These drinks are produced from local products with no additives or chemicals. A regional business model combines production close to the small cheese producers with zero waste distribution using reusable and returnable bottles. Consumer tests assess the acceptability of the product and distribution mode. 6 flavors of sparkling and non-sparkling versions of the fermented whey-based drinks were produced in Eastern France. 9 drinks were tested by 160 consumers and the best formulas identified. Over 77% of consumers liked the sparkling elderflower version, and 69% the apple raspberry juice drink.